together. One Nigeria. One Nigeria. Stronger together. One Nigeria. Stronger together.
Stronger together.
One Nigeria.
One Nigeria.
Stronger together.
Stronger together. Nigeria.
Stronger together.
Stronger together.
One Nigeria.
One Nigeria.
Nigeria.
One Nigeria.
Stronger together.
Stronger together.
One Nigeria.
One Nigeria.
Stronger together.
Stronger together.
One Nigeria.
One Nigeria.
Stronger together.
Stronger.
One Nigeria.
One Nigeria.
Stronger together.
Stronger together.
One Nigeria. Together. One Nigeria. One Nigeria. Strong. One Nigeria. Stronger together.
One Nigeria.
I'll be here.
One Nigeria.
Stronger together.
One Nigeria.
One Nigeria. Stronger together. One Nigeria. Stronger together. One Nigeria. One Nigeria. Stronger together. One Nigeria. Stronger together. One Nigeria. One Nigeria. Stronger together.
Together.
One Nigeria. One Nigeria.
Together. Stronger together. One Nigeria.
One Nigeria.
Stronger together.
Stronger together.
One Nigeria.
One Nigeria.
Stronger together.
Stronger together.
One Nigeria.
One Nigeria.
Strong.
Yeah, that's so. And you need the bill, you gonna shit it out the same way.
One Nigeria. One Nigeria. One Nigeria. Stronger together. Stronger together. One Nigeria. One Nigeria. Stronger together. Stronger together. One Nigeria. One Nigeria. Stronger together. One Nigeria. Stronger together. Stronger together. One Nigeria. One Nigeria. Stronger together.
Many may wonder why this and at this time in New York.
This is very important timing in the history of our country. Nigeria is about to mark about 61 years of age, and you know of the agitations that people are calling for the divisions of the country. We have to show unity. We have to show love. Nigerians, we are better off as a country, one country. So that's why we call people from all over the United States to come out and show support. Nigerians mainly. Most of these people you see out here are Nigerians, and also people that were born by Nigerians. Some of them have never been to Nigeria, but they've heard about Nigeria and they prefer it to be together. And that is why we're here to show unity, to show love, to show strength in our diversity, and to preach stronger together.
What are you trying to achieve at the end of the day?
At the end of the day, we're trying to achieve awareness, and that's why we're out here. The world is here in New York today, and that is why we come out here and say, hey, those voices you probably been listening to, they are the voices of a few. That the majority of Nigerians prefer Nigeria to remain as one country. And that is why we're doing this. We're hoping the message is going to get across the globe.
One Nigeria group, what's the objective of this group?
The objective of the group is to promote the unity of Nigeria globally. To promote the unity of Nigeria globally. That our diversity should be a source of strength, not a source of division. And that is what we hope to achieve. Yes.
Why this?
Well, we are here to show support for the country, to the unity of the country and Nigeria in general. We've been here for some time, and we don't like some of the things that is happening with the agitation of separating the country. That's why anytime the president or there's something happening here, the president is here, we come to show our support. We've been doing this since for like, I think 3 years in 2018. So we are always here, anytime, whether it's snowy or it's raining, we always come to show support for our country.
You've been following developments back home. What can you say about the efforts of the president at the moment?
Yes, it's because of the effort of the present administration. That's why we're coming to show people that what people are hearing and seeing in social media is not right, is not correct. The president is really trying to make sure he provides security and job for our people back home. So we know the president is really trying by the fight with the Boko Haram insurgency. The president is really trying in that aspect. That's why we're coming out to show the country, to show the world that Mr. President is trying his best to make sure that all those things will be things of the past. My name is Haruna Bello Madobi. Yes. Sanjibia. Yes.
To support our nation, we're here. We believe that Nigerian can absolutely change. We believe that Nigeria is filled with diversity. It doesn't matter what culture we are. It doesn't matter what religion we are one, and we are better and stronger together. Yes, we all have our differences, but hey, that's the part that makes Nigeria Nigerians, and that's why so many people wish to be Nigerians. So hey, we have to come back together again, no matter what, guys, no matter what. This is why I'm here to support my people, and whatever it takes to get it done. But thank you. Aisha Bello.
Thanks for checking out SYMFONI on YouTube. Please be sure to subscribe and like our videos for updates.